They are Kayla's cousins.
Yeah. And you've probably seen them on one of our videos on KAYLAdventures, right? Yeah.
Show everybody what you got.
The glue. These are the glue I'm gonna use. These are the glue that I'm gonna use. Glue.
Alright.
Detergent.
What do you have there?
Neon glue.
No.
We don't have any. We couldn't find any Elmer's clear
We got
glue.
here clear glue.
And I have neon
Colored.
glue. And I have neon glue.
Glitter glue.
Yeah, and then this one is for a week.
So you're gonna make 3 separate slimes, right?
Yep, Bella's gonna make galaxy slime, Kayla's gonna make glitter slime, and I'm just gonna make clear slime.
Clear
Maybe there's
slime.
some of this.
Yeah, maybe.
Yours is what?
Galaxy slime.
Neon slime. And you, Kayla?
Glitter slime.
Glitter slime. And how about
As
you?
always.
Liquid
Clear.
glass.
Okay. Right.
Let's pour the glue
Let's
in.
start pouring.
Okay, for Kayla's fans, look at this. Whoa. It's like a galaxy in a bottle. Or a
See?
container.
Up close.
A galaxy in a container.
This little jellyfish.
Hey!
And here's my liquid glass. Here's my liquid glass.
Doesn't matter. Okay! I'm just
Okay, what are we gonna do next?
We're gonna add in the activator. Don't add too much activator or else it will go
crazy.
It'll get hard and that would not be satisfying. Let me just go wash this.
Don't put too much.
Like,
That's enough.
2 teaspoons. That's the little puddle.
Okay.
Let me see what you have here. Bella.
There's a little puddle of detergent. I believe in you. Tiny baby detergent.
Is that what you're supposed to do now?
You.
Right now it's gonna mix.
And this is not enough glue.
Okay, fine. Let's add in a bit more glue.
Yeah, that's better. Oh my gosh, I used all my glue and this happened. It's like a nebula in a container. Really satisfying.
Okay.
It's better than my
Something's wrong
last.
with this glue. Look, all of our glue ate up all of the activator. See, there's a tiny little ball inside.
It's like science. It's turning into a ball. Like an alien egg. Can I use it for a while? Okay, so
I mean, mine's just clear slime.
it's
Okay.
at
Can I
this
have
turn.
these bottles?
Oh, it's so thick.
It's supposed to look like liquid glass.
Liquid glass.
But it turns out to be ice.
Yeah, maybe I could turn it into ice because I added some color blue activator.
Whoa, look at that slime. Can I mix?
I haven't used this kind of glue.
Yeah.
Then-
It's cheap glue.
And it's not going to be.
Whoa, it's working out.
And it's
I think
not
I
going
added
to be
enough
too-
activator. All you have to do is add enough activator and then it will turn out to be slime. Maybe I could add just a little bit more. Or maybe this is fine. Maybe I...
No, we need more. It can't be sticky.
Please,
Oh,
careful.
see? Looks like it's
It's turning into a ball.
slime.
Yeah, it's science. And some of it got inside our mixer because this thing has holes in it. Because this used to be a ballpoint pen.
How about you, Kayla? Let me see your slime.
My turn. And it's just a blob.
It's a blob? Why? What happened?
No, it's just a blob.
Oh, wait for Andy to finish first.
I'm sure.
Can I touch it?
It's still sticky.
That's why you need detergent to make it not sticky. Now you just keep kneading and kneading.
Okay, Kayla's still mixing her blob.
Slime.
Slime.
And this is nothing like slime.
It's
Guys,
okay,
look
it's
how
okay.
mine's turning out.
Here's Andy's slime. Looks like it's,
Getting well.
yeah.
Woohoo.
And Bella, so let me see your slime. It's still sticking to your hand, so maybe you should put some more Activator?
Yeah, Ata, please. Ah, no! Oh my gosh, sorry.
Oh no, guys, my slime is done. It's still a bit sticky, but it's already fine. So yeah, here's my slime. I don't know how to make a swirl. Okay, let's see. Is that how you do it? I don't know how they do it. But anyway, here's my new slime. It actually didn't turn out clear. It actually turned out pretty blue because of the activator. But yeah, it's still nice. See?
How's your slime, Bella?
It's turning out great, actually. Even if it's goopy. Can I touch it?
Ooh.
Goopy. So we need to mix all the activator first. And there we go.
Hi guys, now this is my slime. Well, it turned out to be spaghetti later, but now it turned out great. I used 3 colors, but it turned out blue. You don't see the purple and pink much because it's actually glow in the dark, because that's really cool. And this is fluffy slime. Fluffy.
Well, I didn't even have any shaving cream.
I know. So, yep, that's my slime. Woohoo!
And now here's Kayla's
I put more
slime.
glue in it. 3 bottles.
Then all you need is just an activator.
No, not now, since I'm still mixing.
This is my slime. It didn't turn out last night, so we did it all over again. It's a bit sticky.
What did you add there? 3 bottles of glue.
3 bottles of glue and more
1
detergent.
1 tap of Ariel's liquid detergent. It's awesome.
Thanks for watching. Bye.